Love you 3,000.
And Habak 3,000 from UAE.
Love you 3,000.
Ti amo 3,000.
Para kami dahil 3,000.
Welcome to another edition of Coach Miranda Miner's Daily Technical Charting, Fundamentals, Improvement of Trading Quotient, and everything about crypto all in one channel.
Is the Global Miranda Miner Group, our home of the culture of Malasakit. This is the Global Miranda Miner Group.
Hello, Miranda. I would like to cordially invite each and every one of you to sign up and enroll in our upcoming Fundamental Masterclass this coming March. Kasama ko po ang mga naggagalingang mga resource speakers from the First Metro Securities Metro Bank Group. Kasama po natin ang mga kaibigan natin to talk about fundamentals and how to onboard you in the Metro Bank stock market platform. And in my case, pag-usapan po natin ng malaliman Miranda ang mga topics na ito. I'm very excited and I hope I could see you there para malaman mo naman ano ba yung mga drivers kung bakit minsan mas mabilis gumalaw ang cryptocurrency on the macro level or after the macro level drivers para nauuna ka, hindi ka nahuhuli. No? And of course, I'm going to teach you valuation systems, computations, and measurements to be able to identify ano ba yung mga potential risks na pinapasukan mo in your current asset selection. And yun yung mga basics or fundamentals. So samahan mo na ako Miranda. Wait for further announcements and I'm looking forward to see all of you. Maraming salamat and I love you 3,000. Hello
Get to know more about cryptocurrency trading from Coach Miranda Miner. Watch our daily technical analysis, fundamental analysis, exclusive interviews, and everything about crypto all in one channel. Get to know more about cryptocurrency trading from Coach Miranda Miner. Watch our daily technical analysis, fundamental analysis, exclusive interviews, and everything about crypto all in one channel. Get to know more.
Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce to you the one and only, the voice that introduced, pitikin kita sa ilong, isang hampas na lang ng palakol, the power of yet. Please, let's give it up to our pambansang crypto coach, Coach Miranda Miner.
Hey guys! Hello! Kamusta ka na? Isang magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat, Miranda. Kamusta ka naman? No? Napakaganda pong gabi natin and maraming salamat dyan sa mga kasama natin kanina dyan sa Rockwell. Isang masarap na, mamay titikman natin yung puto seko at saka yung binigay nyo sa ating crab meat At saka yung chicharon na napakasarap nung laman, Miranda. Naku, good luck sa akin mamaya yung suka dito sa bahay. No?
Step one, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun.
Maraming salamat mga Vince. Yan, Vince. Yung mga, pati yung dalawang nanalo ng laptop, nakuha na po nila.
Two, get some good, some food in you. Step three, think real hard about what you
Congratulations, EJ. Yan.
wanna be.
Pati yung 20-year-old na nanalo kahapon, college student lang pala yun.
Step four, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a
Maraming salamat ka, Miranda.
good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a
Sabi sa akin nung nagbigay, sabi ni Vince, Coach, para hindi ka manalo sa challenge ninyo ng mga mentor, bibigyan kita ng pampataba.
good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be
Alright, medyo, alam mo, sana napapanood tayo ng mga team replay din ngayon, no? Pero okay lang kung team replay ka kasi Sunday naman, no? Meron akong napakahalagang topic ngayon at sana maunawaan natin kung ano ba tong topic na to.
a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do.
Maraming salamat. Uy, Tamaki, sana ikaw ay nasa Laguna na. Maraming nanalo si Tamaki.
The aftermath of preparation.
Grabe, congrats. Naku, napakaswerte mapalad tong batang to.
Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it.
Alright, let's do this, Miranda.
Set a goal you control and the steps.
Our topic for today is about Polygon Matic at bakit ko sinasabing, nako, bihira kong sabihin to. Kasi marami sa inyo, mga hindi marunong no? Miranda, before ko sabihin ito, bibigyan ko muna kayo ng konteksto. Alright?
You take 'em. I try to pick one thought.
Type number 1 kung ready na, mga Miranda, tawagin na mga nasa Discord, nasa Facebook, nasa Twitter, tawagin nyo, mag-message sa kayo, hoy, lipat na kayo ngayon kay Miranda Miner.
I'd have some concentration, and if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call
Itong si Vince pala ay napakayamang pamilya dyan sa Pampanga.
it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a
Hoy, congratulations, nabalitaan ko si Remulla daw nanalong congressman ito sa Cavite. Congratulations po!
good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a
Hindi pa naman ako botante, no? Maybe next time.
good day.
Ako po ay botante dyan sa Mandaluyong pa.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Alright, let's do this, Miranda.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Isang kape muna tayo.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up,
Kailangan ko magkape.
today's gonna be a good
Sarap ng usapan namin kanina dyan sa Rockwell.
day. Wake up, today's gonna be a
Alright. Naku, napakagandang gabi. Naku, nag-bounce na yata si Bitcoin.
good day. Wake
Kung nakinig ka kahapon sa live ko, inantay mo muna yung bounce na yan, ha?
up, today's gonna be a
Pero Bitcoin is not our topic for today.
good day. So life ain't
Our topic is about Polygon Matic.
easy, yo. I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season.
Pero syempre, linggo ngayon, chill naman tayo.
Yo, sometimes I'm not
Pero gagawin natin kapakipakinabang yung chill na Sunday because I'm gonna be talking about Polygon Matic in the deepest level ever. Nako, libre to.
other times I'm barely
Ano yung mababantayan mo dyan?
breathing though.
Ano yung mga negative niya?
But you always gotta fight and
Ano yung mga positive niya?
hide from the demons, yo.
Bakit mo kailangan bumili na?
Negative thoughts,
Ayokong sabihin talaga nito.
it's a poison they ride.
Pero almost going there. Pero syempre, the advisory is to buy in spot.
And for
Bibigyan kita ng mga prices na pwede mong lagyan na.
the flaws, so he
Trigger order, wag sa ano Miranda ha, wag mo muna tayong derivatives. Spot muna ito, spot.
come the clouds.
Alright, let's do this. Hello!
I'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad.
Let's now do this, Miranda. Let's all discuss all of the worthy issues ngayon sa ating market. This is Coach Miranda Miner Reacts. Tutok na! Let's all discuss all of the worthy issues ngayon sa ating market. This is Coach Miranda Miner Reacts. Tutok na! Let's all discuss all of... Alright, let's do this, Miranda. No? So unang-una, simulan po natin on the chart of Polygon Matic. Obviously, Miranda, nakakita po tayo ng all-time high on the 2.83 based on the chart of Matic. Nakakita po tayo ng pag-akyat ulit, no? Obviously, there was a low at nung nagkaroon ng inflation issues ay bumagsak po ng almost 0.30 cents, no? And ngayon po, Matic, bumabasag na po yan ng multiple resistances. Obviously, you have this one. It's the first one. We're waiting for the breakout here and of course, this one as well. No? Itong basag na ito, importante itong resistance na ito because this can potentially create a momentum somewhere here. If you're going to use your 618 area, you have 1.24. Pero sinasabi natin na ito ay potentially maganda ang future over the next couple of months. Hindi bukas, hindi next week, over the next couple of months. Alright? Ano ang strategy natin? Listen carefully, ha? So right now, dapat ang inyong wallet is already on a cautiously optimistic. When I say cautiously optimistic, ang ibig sabihin po niyan, tayo po ay pwede nang gumamit ng exposed capital of 60%. No, 60% position and then 40% stable coin or dollars, no? Ito yung tinatawag nating dry powder. All right, dry powder. Put some dry powder. All right? Pag sinabi kong dry powder, ito po yung inyong cash or stable coin, Miranda. Wag munang BUSD. Ilagay nyo muna sa USDT and USDC yan, Miranda. Alright? So, 60-40 tayo. Ngayon, on the 60%, ang gusto kong gawin natin, on the 60% breakdown, Miranda, teka lang. Before tayo mag-start, ipi-play ko muna ito, ha? I'm going to play this first.
Love.
Alright, sana nabasa yon. Type number 1. I am not your financial advisor. Alright? Anything that you lose here is gonna be your complete risks. Okay? Can you please type number 1? Alright, yun. Pag-usapan natin to. Alright, paano ba itong sinasabi ni Coach na 60-40? So, cautiously optimistic tayo. Alright? Ngayon, for ang breakdown natin, yung ating 60%, itong 60% na ito, alright, itong 60% na ito is going to be broken down into multiple. Mag-take kayo ng intermediate class para alam nyo paano basagin itong 60%. No? So, 10% high potential coins, ito yung mga LSCs. Okay, hindi all in, pipitikin ko kayo. LSCs, you have your AIs, alright? And then you have your LSCs and you have obviously your HPC is itself, no? Yan, yung mga Hong Kong coins, etc. Ngayon, I want you to consider, okay, again, I'm not your financial advisor, but, you know, if you're going to listen to me, buong risk nyo yan. I don't want you to go above 10%. I want you to put 5% of your Matic, no? 5%. Ngayon, ito ay spot. Spot yan. Alright? The spot. Ngayon, Miranda, where are you going to put that, no? Where are you going to put the 5%? Ang gusto kong gawin ninyo, maglagay kayo ng alert here. Right? 2.91. 2.91. The 2.91 or 2.94, so meron kayong position lang na 5% ng Matic on the current price. Okay? So the current price today, let's say, is 1.27. Spot lang, huwag ka makulit, spot lang. 1.27. Alright, kasi volatility can kill your positions. No, this can potentially, pwede pang bumaba yun. It can actually, since of course the market is going to give you higher highs and higher lows, you have your higher lows here. No, pwedeng gumawa dito ng another higher low yan. Alright, this can potentially happen because this is not confirmed. No, this is actually not really confirmed yet on a particular Bitcoin is actually not confirmed yet. No, nagba-bounce pa lang yan. So correlated move. So that's why the reason why I say it, spot lang tayo. Ngayon, kapag ito bumasag ng 2.94, humataw na dito, gusto kong gawin ninyo, i-alert nyo to. I-alert nyo to. Pag alert natin, okay, add alert, I want you to add around 3% here. 3% of your position if Polygon Matic breaks out at a 2.94 level. Alright? Ngayon, ang cut loss po natin, is going to be, of course, kung pumasok ka dito at nag 2.94 na, yung 5% mong pinasok dito, kumita na. Kumita na yan. If you entered here, kumita na ng around 88%. Ngayon, habang umaakyat yan, lock your profits. Habang umaakyat yan dito, lock your profits. When I say lock your profits, I want you to raise your stop profits packet. Okay? Or, ang pwede mong gawin, so habang umaakyat siya, kuha ka ng 25% ng position. Lock your profits na. Pero wag mong withdrawin lahat. Alright. Ngayon, I want you to consider as well because the market can, every time the market creates higher lows, lalo na si Bitcoin, pwede pa rin bumagsak yan dito. If you enter here ka Miranda, I still want you to do your stop loss. Okay? I want you to do your stop loss. If it breaks down on this area, do your stop loss if it breaks down on this price. Okay? If it breaks down. Ngayon, technically, 0.91, ito naman, ang pasok mo kasi is 1.27. Somewhere here, 1.27 current, somewhere here, 1.27 current price. Pag bumagsak pa yan ng sub $1, cut loss ka. Cut loss ka doon. Alright? Because the market can create lower lows if that's gonna be happening, no? So why am I considering this? Why am I putting risk? Sabi nila high risk, high reward, no? Why am I putting risks here, Miranda? Bakit ko sinasabing kailangan magkaroon pa rin tayo ng stop loss? Ano ba yung mga good and bad nito? Number 1, good. Okay, the good, all right, and the ugly. All right, the good and the ugly. Okay, the good and the ugly. Okay? So ano ba yung mga good nito? What are the goods, Miranda? All right? So this coming March 27, this coming March 27 is going to be the launch, no? Launch of the zero knowledge Ethereum virtual machine mainnet beta on the Ethereum platform. So March 27 yan. Okay? So sila yung mauuna. Grupo yan may Polkadot, mauuna sila. Okay, this is the first one. All right? The ugly downtime. Most recently, they had the downtime. If you guys heard about the news, meron silang Polygon downtime, no? The couple of days ago, sabi dito the reports were exaggerated. However, Polygon has not experienced an outage in processing blocks. No? Block production never stopped. However, there could have been a degradation in the network performance temporarily. So because of this, people were on panic. So definitely, there was obviously itong guy na to from AVAX ito. So ano yung reason ba't mo pinopost yan? So kumbaga, at the end of the day, people were thinking baka may problema sa Polygon Matic. Alright? So ngayon, if you look into the negative meron tayong block degradation of network. Okay, you have your downtime, block degradation of network. Alright, that's the ugly one, okay? The good and the ugly. Of course, I need to present both sides para kayo magde-decide, hindi ako. Alright, okay? So when this ugly news happened, nagkaroon ng bentahan ka, Miranda. Ito yung nangyari sa red. Dapat paakyat na yun eh. Nagkaroon ng bentahan couple of days ago. No? Alright. So the good and the ugly. Alright? Sabi nga dito, Matic dropped 6% as well because of the head count by 20%. So nag-drop sila ng price because pangit yung news. Nagkaroon ng sell on news of the so there was a sell on news of 6% effect when Matic announced yung centralized nila, hindi yung decentralized headcount cuts. Alright, so basically ito yung kanyang ugly. Ito po yung ugly niya. Alright, so sinabi ko yung ugly ha, huwag kayong makulit, no? Sinabi natin yung ugly. Ngayon, the good, meron silang mainnet launch, no? And based on if you're going to look into the price of the coin per se, ito yung itsura ng coin. So technically, we're seeing, you know, a potential early magic after this. Ito yung breakout consolidation. An early magic can happen paakyat. But this is very, very aggressive kasi sobrang laki ng iaakyat niya. Kung susundin natin yung ating perspective, magkakaroon ito ng kahit sabihin mo ng nasa microfib yan. Kahit sabihin mo na nasa microfib lang yan. Yan, right? This is already almost 223% increase. At hindi naman siya pwede mag-isa lang. Kailangan niya ng katulong. The entire market needs to become bullish. So this in itself is very aggressive view. No? So kaya nga sinasabi natin, the aggressive view of the market is for us to be able, the aggressive, no? The aggressiveness should be cautiously optimistic, no? Maintain some dry powder or you need to not become very all-in. Bakit? Kasi Miranda, the problem with many traders, siguro ganito ka din ngayon. The problem with many traders is they're always going all-in and that removes you from the ability to participate on market rallies. Case in point, for example, punta ako kay Bitcoin. So yung Bitcoin position ko, right, this one, if you, sabi ko kagabi, we're waiting for a potential bounce. If you guys recall, sabi natin we're going to wait for a potential bounce on this particular market. Kasi meron tayong trend support line. So true enough, nagkaroon dito ng bounce. Ayan, nagkaroon ng bounce dito. But hindi siya nagkakaroon ng rally simply because the market is on a weekend. Wala tayong, kulang ang market makers natin. So sabi natin, in this particular case, kailangan natin ng conviction, no? Conviction. Ngayon, balik tayo dun sa pinag-uusapan natin for Polygon Matic Miranda. So let me go, actually let me just duplicate this one. And from here, let me actually try to open Matic. Yan. So, ang pwede nating gawin, no, is to obviously, sabi natin, 60% stablecoin and, 60% position, 40% stablecoin. The problem to many of us is, ang ginagawa kasi ninyo ganito. So, ang ginagawa ninyo, kunwari, maraming hindi nakakaalam, pwede siyang magkaroon ng nagkakaroon ng consolidation, pero because of the FA Miranda, nung nandito na yung coin kahapon, right? People didn't know. They were actually expecting it's gonna be going up even higher. Now, bumagsak yung price ng coin because of FA. Hinold mo siguro and naka 100% position ka. 100% position ka, wala kang USDT. And because you don't have USDT, nung nagkaroon ng bounce sa ilalim, hindi ka nakabili. No? Or basically, your ability to participate in, if you don't have dry powder, remember that word, no? If you don't have a dry powder, no dry powder means you cannot buy on volatile dips, bounce on strong key level supports. You cannot buy there simply because naka-all-in ka. And this is the reason why, I'm recommending to all of you, always make sure that you are cautiously optimistic and put some dry powder out. Kasi if you always go all in, lalo na sa mga price crashes, na potential mag-bounce on key level supports, wala kayong pangbili ng volatile dips. No? Mafo-FOMO kayo dyan. Ang gagawin ninyo, kunyari, naka-red kayo because dito kayo bumili. So basically, on a red position ka. Andito yung price ng coin ngayon. Naka-red position ka. So ibig sabihin nun, talo ka ng negative 2.4%. Ang gagawin mo, ibibenta mo tong position at a loss para lang magkaroon ka ng position to buy the dips. Okay, naiintindihan ka, Miranda? Can you please type number 1 kung naiintindihan ninyo? It's the reason why I wanted all of us to be able to be cautiously optimistic. Alright, let's now talk about ano ba yung other good and ugly niya. So I actually prepared a couple of information and insights for all of you through our research. So pakinggan po natin ito, Miranda, and please focus all our attention. Hihimayin natin pero isa-summarize na rin po natin para po sa inyo.
A quick review of our top 10 coin prices, fundamentals, and macros brought to us by the Global Miranda Miner Research Group.
Sorry. I'm on mute. Sorry. Alright, so basically, I'm just talking by myself, Miranda. Testing lang yun, oy. Relax. Alright. Okay. So, ibig sabihin nito, tinetesting ko lang kayo. Relax na. Okay. Alright. So basically, zero knowledge EVM or ZK-EVM is a very important aspect of your knowledge as a cryptocurrency trader. Kung hihimayin natin kung ano si Ethereum, isa ito, you need to remember Ethereum is not a currency. Ethereum is actually a gateway and a platform. Within the Ethereum, sila po ay gumagamit ng Ether as a currency. Currently, we're using Ethereum in a on a moniker level. Pero if you wanted to become very, very technical about it, Ethereum is created not as a currency but as a gateway or a platform that wherein people can execute smart contracts. No, if you are a DApp, a layer 1 DApp, decentralized application, you can actually execute any smart applications as long as it's actually created on Solidity. So yun ang lente ng Ethereum. Sila ay magiging parang sandbox. Para siyang mega link or banknet na pwedeng daluyan ng BPI, ng BDO, ng Union Bank. Yun ang trabaho niya. Okay. Ngayon, so tapos na si ZK-EVM with AAV, Uniswap, Lens, and Midnight Society as the first protocols, no? Yung testnet ongoing na, no, at launch of early 2023. As a matter of fact, Miranda, napakarami po nating fundamental good news sa cryptocurrency ng quarter 1 and quarter 2. Siguro didiscuss ko na lang bukas kung ba't hindi pa yung lumilipad. No? Another insight, pinili si Polygon Matic as the NFT platform for Instagram. There's a Meta partnership. And of course, there's also, although hindi sila ganun kasikat in terms of NFTs, pero maganda kasi ang gas fee ni Matic kaysa naman kay Ethereum, diba? And of course, Polygon Supernets and Polygon ZK-EVMs had multiple notable announcements and partnerships. Alright, pag-aralan po natin mabuti. Alright, I'm not gonna be discussing this Polygon metrics overview, no? Pero ang gusto ko lang pagtuunan natin yung daily active addresses. So basically, lumalaki ang kanyang, meron lang namatay lang ng konti ng quarter 2 and quarter 3. Pero nung quarter 4, nakita mo, halos siya na yung all-time high daily active addresses. No, ibig sabihin, mas dumami na yung nag-handle ng coin even if you look a year ago, which is quarter 4 of 2021. Marami na naghahawak ng wallet with a particular Matic address. Okay? Kung titingnan din natin yung kanyang total stake, tumaas na kahit paano ng 3.64 billion from an average of 3.36 nung quarter 2. Ito yung bear market. Ha? Okay, so medyo from a metrics perspective, medyo maganda ang kanyang wallet addresses and yung kanyang decentralization and staking health. Although hindi siya number 1 in terms of staking. Cardano, actually nakagulat, Cardano tsaka Solana ang nangunguna ngayon on staking. Alright, let's look into the circulating supply. Let's go to CoinMarketCap. Alright, nasa number 8 na ngayon si Polygon Matic. 87% na ng supply niya yung nakalabas ngayon. No? 87% yung nakalabas. Technically, may 13% pa. No? So, tingnan po natin. So, from a circulating supply perspective, yan. Technically, 10 nung quarter 4, 10 billion. Yan. Technically, total, I'm not gonna be talking about revenue here. Alright. Okay. So, from the network overview, as I've said, medyo tumaas yung kanyang daily active addresses. It's very interesting yung kanyang failed transactions nasa negative 2.6, no, coming from a double-digit trajectory. No, so at least they're able to limit down the failed transactions. Tapos, okay naman yung kanyang average block time per second, 2.13, hindi malayo, no, sa mga previous niyang run rates. In this case, mas mabilis pa nga, no, from a blocking perspective, 2.13. Alright? Sabi dito, while Polygon financial performance remained steady, yung kanyang network performance indicators saw impressive growth. So from a network perspective, gumanda ang daily active addresses, 374, nagsipagbalikan, all-time high. No? The new addresses, 32, no? From an average, of course, medyo pangit nung quarter 4 kasi bull market ang 2021 ng quarter 4. Okay. Let's talk about total value lock. So, all good here. In gaming, active wallets, all-time high. Well, not all-time high, but above, no? Improvement on quarter 3. NFTs, hindi sila ganun kasikat on NFTs, pero tingnan mo naman, active daily wallets on NFTs, tumabo na sila the highest amongst all the quarters. Okay? So, let's look into the total value lock on DeFi. Pababa. Everyone is actually going down. So, hindi ito yung kanilang highlight. Not their particular highlight for today. Alright? If you look into the projects, kung makikita mo, pinakamalaki nilang project within the Polygon network, you have AAV, Uniswap, maliit lang Uniswap. Pero malakas sa kanilang AAV, pinakamalaking AAV nila. Alright? But definitely, AAV is actually the leader, 31%, followed by QuickSwap, Balancer, and Uniswap. From a DEX perspective, yan, ito yung kanilang sharing, no? Not much interesting stuff on the DEXs and even on NFTs, no? Sila din ang may pinakamalaking naka-stake sa kanila is Lido, no? Sorry. I would like to clarify that. So, nakalagay dito, Polygon, with 76% of the total trading volume on the Uniswap DEX. And of course, Polygon has the small percentage of liquid stake Matic tokens, no? Ibig sabihin nito, among the liquid staking providers, Lido is the market leader with 58% of the market share in the Polygon Matic. Yan. Staking providers. Alright, so Lido pa din or Lido. Alright, ito na. So ito, I'm not gonna be talking about this real quick. This is just, part of the data. Let's talk about yan. So, meron kasi silang lens, decentralized social, para siyang Arkham intelligence, no? Pero we're gonna be discussing that very soon. Pero in terms of increase, no, or integrations, meron na rin silang BitPay, WorldPay, Coinbase, Binance stablecoin became available in Polygon. They have a wallet, Phantom Wallet, and Graph Protocol. Walang special dito. Lahat ng mga top coins ngayon meron ng ganito. Even Cardano has their own wallet already. Nagkaroon lang ng pagkakataong i-highlight ito because this is the first time it's happening for Polygon. No, I think that's the reason why they're number 8 right now across all of the coins. At kung titingnan po natin, ayan. Sabi dito, Reddit avatars on Polygon led to millions of new accounts. No? So a total of almost north of 5 million Reddit avatars on Polygon was created. No? And of course, sinabi nga natin, yung active addresses nila on NFT is all-time high, 400,000 plus. No? From an NFT, kumbaga ginagamit na nila ngayon, although hindi sila world leader, tumataas pa din ang kanilang ecosystem from an NFT active daily wallet perspective. Alright. From a gaming perspective naman din sila bida, pero okay naman sila quarter on quarter. No? Developer activity, maganda rin tingnan natin ito kung sila ay may meron silang activity on the development community. They actually have launched Polygon Connect Bogota and Polygon Web 3 in India. Most recently si what's the name of this? Algo was also in India. Alam mo, something is happening in India. Nagpupuntahan dyan ng mga cryptocurrency. Nakakatuwa. Alright, so di ko di-discuss ito ngayon. This is gonna be long-term pa. Yan. From a staking perspective, maintain nila yung active validators. Total Matic in billions, 3.42 billion. 55% year-over-year growth. Not much of a change on the active validator. In the active validator count. Walang gaanong changes. No? Ayan. So, the minimum stake to join Polygon validators steadily rose. So, from an average of 1 year, tumataas yung active validators and minimum validator stake based on these statistics. So, limited lang to 100, pero the new validators can become active when a current active validator unbinds. However, the cost of becoming an active validator has risen continually over the year. No, so from an average of 625,000 Matic or almost $500 million, a 386% increase year over year from the previous 129,000 Matic. So kung kahit mahal yung Matic, before 129,000 Matic lang magiging validator ka na ngayon, 625 na daw. Thus they wanted to add 5 more validators during the Polygon Improvement Proposal 4. Alright? Okay. So let's continue. Quantitative, ayoko nang discuss ito, medyo malalim na to. Scaling solutions, maganda to, discuss natin. Itong ZK roll-up, matagal lang pinag-uusapan ito, no? From an on-chain data perspective, no? But kailangan kasi ng lahat itong, kailangan ito ng lahat ng mga validators and ecosystem to be able to enhance the security in terms of scalability. Di ba tatlo yung problema nila? Interoperability, scalability, and security. Interoperability, walang problema kasi nasa taas nga siya ng Ethereum. Nakapatong siya kay Ethereum. Si scalability, you cannot always do scalability without sacrificing security. So ito yung ginagawa nila ngayon. Alright? So kailangan nilang gawin yan to be able to scale, or further increase the ability of transactions per second within the infrastructure. Alright? So yung dalawa nilang nilabas is actually the Polygon Supernets and the Polygon ZK-EVM. Itong Polygon ZK-EVM, dito lalabas yung sinasabi natin na ito yung lumalabas na one day ago na news. So sinasabi ng mga bali-balita, again guys, I am not your financial advisor ha. All right? Again, sinasabi ko sa inyo ha. I'm just reading the news. All right. So, if you take a look into this news, sabi dito, the top 100 Ethereum whales Matic holding currently stands 181 million. It implies that Matic now makes up 3.75 of all of the Ethereum whales. Of course, SHIB is still there. Di ba nga, na nagsimula yung SHIB na yan, sabi nila, malaki daw ang hinahawakan ni Vitalik. Di ba? So, basically, yung sinasabi lang dito is, because of the ZK-EVM launch, they're actually anticipating an impressive performance of Matic over the past couple of on the next couple of weeks, no? So recent reports revealed that Polygon Matic had joined the 5,000 Ethereum whales most purchased token amid the upcoming launch. All right. So itong sinasabi natin dito, this is creating hype on the coin. So tingnan natin ngayon sa kanyang technical analysis. If you go to the technicals of this coin, medyo it's going to create a multi-year all-time high. So like what we're trying to say, ang pwede natin gamitin, we can actually try to add more positions if it breaks the 2.95-ish level and add more positions. But my opinion is it doesn't harm to put Matic in your portfolio. Do not put everything. My portfolio recommendation is only 5% for spot. All right? Okay. So, let's continue. So, basically, yan. Itong ZK-EVM, Zero Knowledge EVM, is a layer 2 scaling solution that enhances the scalability while preserving Ethereum's compatibility. Kasi may mga parang give or take yan eh. You cannot raise the scalability or paparamihin mo yung transactions per second without breaking security, no? And without breaking Ethereum's compatibility. So kailangan nilang ayusin yun, no? So kumbaga ipapatong nila yung ipapatong nila si Polygon Matic, but in this particular case they're going to be using the ZK-EVM layer 2 scaling solution. All right? So at the end of the day, sila yung medyo iniisip ng maraming tao na medyo magiging guinea pig nito, no? Tingnan po natin kay Miranda if this is going to become a good driver for the bull run of this particular coin. All right? So ayan. Gusto ko basahin, no? Vitalik's ZK-EVM framework classifies the Polygon as type 3, close to being EVM equivalent with the objective of becoming a type 2 fully EVM equivalent. The challenge lies in balancing compatibility and performance. Alright. Okay. So in summary, sa lahat ng sinabi nating mga statistics sa inyo, couple of things na I would like to bring your attention. Unang-una, active wallet addresses. Kakaiba ito. This is actually one of the highest. No? If you go into the network, from a network perspective, daily active addresses, malaki. One of the highest all-time high, 374,000. If you take a look into the DeFi, I'm not really bought into the DeFi aspect of Polygon, although very promising. if you look into, let's take a look at the NFT, sorry. Ayan. Ayan. Sabi dito, however, on the DeFi sector of Polygon, they have experienced slower growth. No? This is the reason why I'm not excited on gaming, NFT, and DeFi on Polygon, because they're doing a correlated market move with the other coins. Alright? So, let's take a look at the other news. So, sabi dito, yan. Ito yung mga negative news natin. Right? But there's a lot of analysts saying that it looks like a potential all-time high can happen again for Matic. No? But again, we need to be very mindful of the support area na meron dapat tayo. In this particular case, kailangan natin respetuhin itong support area na to. So what can potentially happen is that kapag nagkaroon ito ng rally ulit, paakyat, the most immediate price na kailangan nating tingnan is your most recent swing high here. Okay? Kailangan nating tingnan yan. If you're going to be doing intradays for Polygon, ito yung most recent, and potentially, we need to wait, no? We need to wait kung mga intraday traders po kayo. No, we're gonna be waiting for the continuation of this price. If this is going to be a higher low, kung tutuloy-tuloy na breakdown, no, or it can potentially go up even higher. No? Sa spot market ka, Miranda, sa spot market, tomorrow, Monday, ihaganda ka ng mga pambili. Sa spot market, tingnan natin, no? Ang gagawin ko, I'm going to wait for this market tonight. Bakit? Kasi nga, it looks like Bitcoin can potentially create a little bit of a rally tonight, but I'm not expecting na lilipad ito tuloy-tuloy paakyat. Meron tayong 23,622 na resistance. So kung ito man ay aakyat, scalp ninyo yan. But definitely, pwede pa mag-oras, then aakyat. No? So obviously, your higher lows and higher highs. No? Oras, aakyat. Diba? Pwedeng ganyan. It can happen because there's no volume on the weekend. So ito pwede niyang gawin. Ang pwede niyang gawin, no? Pwede niyang i-influence yung other top 10 coins because they're correlated to each other. No? This can potentially go up. Scalp paakyat. No? Scalp paakyat tayo. Right? Important yung price na yan. Meron ka pa isa dito, no? Yan. So I'm going to get this one. Right? So, scalp, tingnan natin kung aakit ito. If this one goes and builds momentum, pwede niyang dalhin yung top 10 coins. Matic can also do the same. Matic can actually do the same. All right, just give me a second. All right. So Matic can do the same, no? So while we are on this discussion, kung intraday trader ka, we're going to be kung intraday trader, no, hindi spot trader, valued investor, you're going to trade your support and resistance. But if you are going to be a spot trader, if you're going to be a spot trader, pwede tayo mag-abang ng orders on these particular areas. Just listen to me carefully, okay? We can actually wait for orders. This one, breakout. Number 2, breakout. Number 3, bounce. Okay? So bounce, support, most immediate multi-week breakouts on this particular price. Kasi kailan ba to? This is actually February 16, 17. Tapos additional entry point dito. No? So be mindful, no? We're not guaranteeing na aakyat itong coin na ito, but I'm giving you a couple of points where you can actually try to buy your positions on this particular coin. So pinagsasama ko lang yung FA and TA natin. So hindi ko sinasabing bumili kayo agad ngayon simply because the market is not giving me any sign to buy. I want some conviction for tonight, tomorrow night, na ito ay magbabounce na. Another conviction ko, para at least pagpasok mo, sure ball ka na agad. Mas mataas na yung conviction natin. Alright? Another thing na gusto ko i-consider natin is obviously, Nasdaq is going to experience what I call an O-shore area. No? Si Nasdaq for tomorrow night, pag ito nag-akyat, kunyari umakyat siya, tomorrow, pag umakyat itong si Nasdaq, no, uuntugin niya itong 382 na to. Right? Pwede niyang iakyat yan or untugin niya pero sumubaba ulit. So when this happens, your Bitcoin, TA na natin to Miranda ha, your Bitcoin can potentially do the same. No? Do the same. It can potentially also correct on your 382s, no? So you actually have your 382 here. Yan. So yung 382 mo, akit ko na to itong 382 mo, pwede siyang umakyat dyan, pero i-correct lang din ulit. No, yan ang mga tatandaan natin yung mga price points ni Bitcoin. So tatandaan natin, it can still correct on a 23,759. So kahit basagin niya ito, resistance 1 natin, resistance 1 for tonight. Kung nagkaroon siya ng magandang rally, Asian market opens, resistance 2. Pwede niyang i-correct pababa, Polygon Matic can follow. Or pwede niyang ituloy-tuloy yan, paakyat. Paakyat. Alright, naiintindihan po. No, naiintindihan po ang ating TA. So, kasabayan na natin, kapag ito nagkaroon ng potential bounce, bili ka dito sa bounce niya dito. Hayaan mo lang siya. Pag bumili ka dyan, hayaan mo lang. No? Hayaan mo yan. And then, potential buy here on the breakout here. And of course, add ka ng position on the all-time high price. Alright? Okay, can you guys please type number 1 kung naiintindihan po yun, Miranda? All right. Alright, so again, as what I've said, no, medyo ang kanyang ugly lang is yung mga bali-balita or mga paninira na Polygon block daw, nag-stop mag-produce ng blocks. They were offline daw noong February 22, causing a lot of rumors daw, no, on the crypto Twitter universe that the unwanted blockchain outage is going to impact the ability on its implementation for the ZK-EVM, on the ZK-EVM. Alright? Another thing na pwede nating i-consider, Miranda, obviously, Matic is actually gearing for an audit upgraded testnet for Polygon ZK-EVM, this particular week with support of Etherscan. So, na-survive naman nila yung crypto winter after partnerships nila with Mastercard, Starbucks, Meta, Disney, and NFL. So, tingin po natin, kailangan nating i-expect that after the deployment, sinasabi ng mga expert, after the deployment of the Polygon ZK-EVM, the Block Explorer is going to be considered as a gold standard for searching and browsing already. No? So, if it's going to be successful, on March 27, pwedeng magkaroon ng positive FA and pwedeng itong i-push yung price niya to go up even higher on where it's currently located. Alright? Of course, as I was saying, it's not always guaranteed. So I hope, Miranda, na kayo po ay mag-i-exercise ng due diligence, no, on your assets. Huwag po kayo mag-all in. There's always a risk everywhere. Sinasabi lang natin that based on what I've been seeing, Polygon Matic is actually one of those na may potential, no, over the next couple of months and years to come. Alright? So sinabi ko yung ugly at yung good. Ngayon, ang trabaho mo, i-analyze kung ito ay magiging parte ng risk appetite mo. In my own perspective, nagtitrade ka nga ng mga projects, di ba? Tingnan mo na to, si Polygon Matic. Di ba? Polygon Matic is actually currently the number 8 coin in the market with a total market capitalization of 12.7 billion fully diluted market cap. No, at with that particular chart, mas madali mo na makikita based on this particular chart alone, mas madali mo na makikita kung ano ba yung potential ng coin based on this chart alone. No, mas madali mo na makikita kung ano ba yung potential ng coin simply because meron na itong binubuo na triangle of life. Yan. Triangle of life natin yan. Okay? O yung ating, may nagsabi sa akin before dito, may bago silang pangalan dito. No? Pero ayoko na sabihin kasi baka malito ng dami ng pangalan natin. Ayun. Alright? So ito na yung triangle of life. So ito na yung ating babantayan, Miranda. Alright, can you please type number 1 kung nakikita po ito, Miranda? Alright, so tingnan po natin, no? Again, not always a guarantee, but this can potentially become a good one, no? Kung magkakatotoo. So this is gonna be March, sabi natin March 27, lagyan natin ng araw yan. March 27, yan. Yan ang ating babantayan. So ilan na lang. Ilan na lang. Yan. Okay, malapit na. Okay? Tapos kung lalagyan natin ito ng panibagong Fibonacci, papalitin ko yung mundo niya. Alright, so I'm going to get basag na si 618 area. Right, yan. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay na po tayo, Miranda, ha. Ako ay taga lang, extend ko nga ito dito. Okay. All right. Okay, yun ang ating episode for today. Yun.
Ikaw ay nakikinig kay Coach Miranda Miner sa Daily Crypto Live.
All right. Ayun, no. Yun pong ating episode for today. Miranda, bukas, ang aabangan natin, Miranda, again, inuulit ko po, ha, 5% lang ng inyong wallet si Polygon Matic. Kaya mag-all-in, pipitikin ko kayo. Alright, and then tomorrow, wala po akong live. Nasa members live po ako tomorrow. You cannot see me. I'm gonna be with the members. Pero ang gusto kong pagtuunan ng pansin natin is yung Asian market. Mag-open tayo ng morning. Sana magtuloy-tuloy yung maganda, no? Pero based sa mga nakikita ko, mixed market, no? Iba-ibang perspective. May mga tao nagsasabi na baka mag 6% pa daw si Fed, no? Kasi ang pangit talaga ng PCE report, no? So, iba naman, because of the China opening, gaganda ang emerging markets, no? Kahit na underweight ang mga portfolio ng mga investors and portfolio managers on EMs or emerging markets, pwede na nilang lagyan ng konti. Oy, by the way guys, bantayan nyo to, no? If they're going to raise the interest rates again to 6% versus versus 5% terminal rate, tataas po ang dolyar versus pesos. Baka umabot na naman tayo ng 56 pesos ka, Miranda, over the next couple of weeks. Kapag mangyari ulit yung actual interest rate increase ng US. Ngayon, kapag mangyari yon, kasi merong tinatawag tayong rule in the Philippines economics na dapat we should only be, well, not rule, but parang invisible expectations na dapat ang Pilipinas hindi tayo lalayo ng 100 basis point spread, no, sa US. So ibig sabihin 1% lang ang lalayo ng ating interest rate sa US. So kung magtataas po ng 6% interest rates ang US, we're going to expect Bangko Sentral to raise another 1% interest rates or 100 bips. Kasi ang mine-maintain nating spread is 100 bips from Philippines to US. Ibig sabihin nun, kailangan lumaban ng pera natin para hindi tayo ma-devalue. Ganun ang ginagawa ng Bangko Sentral natin. So, lalaban tayo by raising our own interest rates. At pag nangyari ulit yan, bantayan nyo na yung mga bangko. Magiging mas preferred ulit sila. 'Di ba? Kasi pag tumataas ang interest rates, ang mga bangko mas malaki ang kinikita niyan. No, sila yung mga beneficiary of a Fed raising interest rates. No? Sila magiging stocks to buy on a market that's raising interest rates. Okay? So yun, tataas ulit ang dolyar ka, Miranda, kung if the US Fed is going to continue to raise interest rates. Ngayon, pag hindi naman sila nagtaas, edi mas maganda. Kasi if they're going to raise interest rates ka, Miranda, kailangan i-expect mo na yan. March, April, May, June, they're going to raise interest rates. Kasi 4.75 na, so 1.25 na lang. Kung baka mag-25 yan hanggang June. 25 hanggang June. Tama ba ako? March, April, May, June. Tama, 4 months. 25, 50 tapos. Pag July, wala na. August, wala na. September, wala na. October, less na tayo ng 0.25. Pag nagsimula na yon, makaka-recover na yung market natin. Okay? Yun ang ating basa dyan, Miranda. Alright. Are we going to recession? Sean, sasagutin natin yan pag gines natin si April Litan. No? Napakagandang guest natin yan, Miranda. At we're going to be talking with her about, kasi I have my own expectations on hard landing. I have my own opinion. And for me, I think kapag hindi na ayos ang PCE report, we're going to force ourselves to hard landing. No? At it's gonna be up for a different topic. Alas 11 na kasi Miranda, no? All right? So with that said, give me a second. One more. I just want you guys to show this particular video for today. Yan, Miranda, no? Panoorin po natin ito before ako mag-dismiss for tonight. I will see you. Mahalaga pong announcement ito, panoorin po natin. I'll be right back. Isang mabilis na commercial lang tayo. Alright? Isang mabilis na commercial lang. I'll be right back.
This is the Global Miranda Miner Group. our home of the culture of Malasakit. This
Ayun, napakagandang commercial. Miranda, abangan mo yan, no? On March 2, hindi po tayo araw-araw nagkakaroon ng guest na ganyang kabigat, no? At hindi lahat pinupuntahan ng babaeng yan. I think pinipili rin niya yung mga show na i-guestan niya. So, I'm very proud to let you know that we're going to have her as a guest. None other than April Litan, Chief Strategy Officer or Chief Equity Strategist of COL, the biggest stock market broker in the Philippines, Miranda. Alright? So yun, abangan nyo yun ha. And pag-uusapan namin, makikita mo, makikipagsabayan tayo kay April Litan. Miranda, pinapangako ko sa iyo, sasabayan ko siya. No? Kung magaling siya, syempre magaling din ang inyong coach. We're going to pasabayan natin yan. Marami siyang alam, no? Of course, siya pa din yung mas magaling, no? But sasabayan natin in terms of fundamentals. Gugulatin natin sa mga tanong natin, Camila. Kaya bantayan niyo yung live na yan on March 2. Alright. Anyways, yun na po yung ating live for tonight. If you're going to ask me, is Polygon Matic part of my portfolio? Yes. Yun ang sagot ko lang sa inyo. Alright? If you're going to ask me, is Polygon Matic part of my portfolio? My answer is yes, Miranda. Alright? Full disclosure, I'm holding Polygon Matic. Hindi ko dinidiscuss ito para bumili kayo, para umakit yung price ng coin. Wala po akong pakialam dyan. Ako po ay marami ng pera. No? Hindi ako nagmamayabang, Miranda. I'm just giving full disclosure. Tinuturuan ko lang kayo kung ano po yung, if in case you're interested lang naman, no, na malaman ko ano yung laman ng aking portfolio, kasama po dyan si Polygon Matic, Miranda, because I believe na hindi masama, no, na maglagay ng konti sa mga coin na tingin ko ay merong potential. No? Ngayon, while I have that, it doesn't mean that I will not cut losses. No, I've said kanina yung mga potential areas to cut loss and potential areas to where you can actually buy some of the positions. All right? With that said, maraming salamat. God bless you guys and I love you 3,000. Maraming salamat po.
You are listening to Coach Miranda Miner in his daily crypto live.
Congrats again sa mga nakita ko kanina dyan sa Rockwell at pictures will be posted out very soon. All right? God bless you and bye. Bye guys. Thank you.
This program is brought to us by BingX, the world's fastest growing crypto app where you can find your next multi-bagger coin. Download now using Coach Miranda Miner's referral link found in your chat room and in the screen.
A quick review of our top 10 coin prices, fundamentals, and macros brought to us by the Global Miranda Miner Research Group. A technical analysis for the crypto market traders live with Coach Miranda Miner.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon.